This video is to help you with factoring more difficult trinomials. When you have something like 6x squared minus x minus 15, where your lead term and your last term, your constant usually, have multiple ways that they can be factored. They have different groups of factors to look at and to consider. So I'm still going to make my chart because that's the way I like to do it. And this time I'm going to factor my 6x squared as 3x times 2x. Now I'm not using 1x times 6x because, to be honest, that just usually doesn't work very much. And then in my chart I'm going to be factoring 15. I'm not going to worry about the negative sign yet. I'm going to take care of that later. Okay, so I'm going to start out by looking for, I'm going to multiply, and I need a negative 1 because this is understood to be a negative 1. So if I multiply 3 times 2, I get 6x, and here I get 15x, so that's not going to work. And so then I'm going to look at, what if I cross multiply that? That would be 10x and 9x. Well, that would work if my 10x were negative and my 9x was positive, because positive 3 times negative 5 gives me my negative 15, and the negative 10x and the positive 9x gives me my negative 1x. So that's the way I need to set this one up. So when I set up my parentheses, I would do 2x, 3x. I want to multiply 2x times the minus 5. So I'm going to put the minus 5 over here, so when I use FOIL, I'll end up doing that. And then I want to multiply the 3x times the 3, so I need to make sure that multiplication happens, so that's going to be plus 3.